Okay, so number 11 says on a single set of axes, graph f of x equals x. You guys remember what y equals x looks like?
Like B diagonal. No.
No, that's
It has a y-intercept of 0 and a slope of 1 over 1. So we start at 0, go up 1 over 1. Yes, it's a diagonal. And then, so you do that in one color, and then the next color we're supposed to graph g of x equals absolute value of x. So what did absolute value of x look like?
Instead of B.
Yes.
I'm pretty slow.
Starts at 0, 0, and it goes up in both directions. And then in a third color, hope you save the best for last. What do you blue and red make?
Purple.
Okay, so the final, so we graphed that was the red. Then we graphed that was my blue. And now we're supposed to graph, whoops, that's g of x. And now we're supposed to graph f plus g of x. What do you guys think that's gonna look like? Okay, so the function value is really represented by the y value, like how high and low it is. So the y-axis is like the function, the f or the g or whatever. The x kind of just tells you when that value happens. Think of it as time, maybe. When x is 1, for example, on this one, y is 1. When x is 2, y is 2. So that's where this red line came from. Anyway, so when you add the two functions together, like right here, this function is worth 4, this function is worth negative 4. What do you get when you add 4 plus negative 4? 0. 3 plus negative 3? 0. 2 plus negative 2. So all these out here, 0 and 0, will be just on the x-axis. Okay, but what happens on the right side of the graph?
It would go up the
Right, this one would be 1 plus 1.
2.
This one would be, the y values are 2 and 2, 2 plus 2.
4.
So it's just, and 3 plus 3, 6, so it's just kind of 2 slope on this side. Oh boy.
Bless you.
Contagious.
I don't.
You still need the color pencils.
For number 12. It's kind of the same idea. Number 12, we're supposed to use the graph from number 4 to do the same thing. I guess you only have to graph the one thing, so maybe you don't need a colored pencil, actually. You could still use it. Okay, number 19 says, I guess I'm going to go back to there's another one. F of G of H of 6. Okay. F of X is square of X. G of X is 6X minus 3. And H of X is X over 3. I just basically wrote the problem down. Okay, what do you guys think this means? We kind of did stuff like this yesterday. F of G of H of 6.
Plug 6 in for H, then whatever you get from H, go to G, and then when you get a G, you get F.
Alright, plug 6 into the H function. Whatever you get for that, plug it into the G. Whatever you get for that, plug it into F. So what is H of 6 going to be? 6 divided by 3 is 2. So then we need to figure out what is G of 2.
12 minus 3.
9.
9. And then we need to figure out what's F
3.
of 9. Square root of 9. That is the final answer.
That's not so bad.
Well, if you like that, wait till you get a
Oh,
little
wait,
bit.
never mind.
Now.
Let's go back.
Now.
Way to go, Sam.
Bro,
It's all your fault. It was gonna be easy till you said that.
I'm sorry.
Okay, what do you think this one means? We did something like it yesterday. No. So this time there's not a number here. So we're taking H of X, we're putting it into G of X, and whatever that is, we're putting it into F of X. So what's H of X into G of X? So this is basically what H of X equals right here. And we're putting into G of X where the X was.
So 6 times x over 3 minus 3.
Right. Now, does that simplify?
Let's go to 2x.
6 divided by 3 is 2. So that's 2x minus 3. So that's G of H of X. And now we're going to put that into the F function. So what's that going to look like?
Square root of 2x minus 3.
Right. It'll be square root of 2x minus 3. Does that simplify? No, it does not.
Okay.
Wasn't terribly painful.
I think I'll get it. I'm not sure about Lee.
I think I can. I think I can.
I get this. I just don't like it.
Really.
Alright, move 21.
I don't get it.
No, we just did 19.
Oh, was there and B of 19?
Yeah.
There was 19 of 19.
Oops.
All right. 21.
That's crazy.
So H of F of G of 1/2. Not too hard to do, but there are a lot of opportunities to make mistakes. So
0 over 3? I
uh,
got 0.
you're gonna plug in 1/2 into G. So what's 6 times 1/2? Minus 3,
Is 0.
0. So we need to do F of 0. What's the square root of 0?
0.
So we need to do H of 0. 0 divided by 3.
0.
Turned out to be kind of easy.
Alright, Leo, you do this one.
H of F of G of X. Alright, so we're going to put the G function, G of X, into the F function. That's going to go right there. So what will that be? Then we're going to plug that into the H function.
Which is over 3.
Right. So this replaces the x, so it'll just be that over 3.
Is that the answer?
Does that simplify?
No.
Nah.
No. This is not a 6. This is a part of the square root, so you can't reduce that. It looks like a 6, but it's not a 6 over 3.
These guys.
Mr. Jordan,
It's all right.
I'm very confused about 12. I require serious help.
Okay, remember how we did 11, the last part?
Yes.
Let's go take a look at it.
Okay.
So, remember how I did 4 plus negative 4?
Mm-hmm.
0. 3 plus negative 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And then over here it was 1 plus 1 is 2.
Mm-hmm.
2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6.
Okay, so is it pretty much just adding, it's just adding the 2 points
Right.
together?
The y values represent, like how high and low it is, represents the function value.